Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add Scene Plus card to Apple Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, there are only some simple methods to do so simply follow along. So first of all, go ahead, open up your Scene Plus on your phone. Once you have done that, make sure you're logged in as well. Then in the home section, this is how it's going to appear, and from the bottom you're going to find plenty of options, including the card. Go ahead, tap on the card option. Then you're going to find your card on top, as you can see, and in the bottom you're going to find this option of add to Apple Wallet given right away. All you got to do is tap on it, and there you go. You're going to find your Scene Plus card showing right over here, including your barcode and your details. Now all you got to do is tap on this add option given on top right corner, and you will be able to add your Scene Plus card to your Apple Wallet, and you can use it according to your liking, and that is it. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.